Welcome to Factful Fridays. Discover how Maruti Suzuki's extended warranty keeps you worry-free and your car protected for years. Your Maruti Suzuki vehicle comes with a standard warranty of up to 3 years or 1 lakh kilometers. Additionally, you have the opportunity to extend this warranty up to 6 years at a nominal cost. Choose from 3 specially designed package options. Platinum Extended Warranty up to 4th year or 1,20,000 kilometers. Royal Platinum Extended Warranty up to 5th year or 1,40,000 kilometers. Solitaire Extended Warranty up to 6th year or 1,60,000 kilometers. Enjoy coverage for high-value parts including infotainment system, radiator, brake master cylinder, clutch release bearing and many more. The extended warranty can be purchased simply by visiting the Maruti Suzuki website, the Maruti Suzuki app or your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized dealership. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.